Today, I am very excited to show you how to prepare a comforting breakfast dish so you can add it to your repertoire. As the saying goes, you have to break a few eggs to make an omelet, but this simple recipe minimizes the mess while maximizing the flavor. One thing I can't stress enough, though, make sure those delicious fillings are pre-cooked. Nobody wants a watery omelet. For this recipe, you need 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk or water, salt and pepper to taste, filling of your choices such as cheese, vegetables, ham, or mushrooms, cooking oil or butter for greasing the pan, and fresh herbs for garnish. And before we start, you need to get a mixing bowl, a whisk or fork, a non-stick skillet or omelet pan, a spatula or omelet flipper, a knife, and a cutting board for preparing the filling. Once you have all that, let's get into it. The first step is to chop and prepare the filling ingredients of your choice. As I mentioned before, this can include vegetables, cheese, ham, mushrooms, or any other desired ingredients. Ensure they are cooked or prepped before starting the omelet making process. Step 2. Beat the eggs. In a mixing bowl, crack the eggs and add the milk or water. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Whisk or beat the eggs until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Then, place a non-stick skillet or omelet pan over medium heat. Allow it to heat up for a minute or 2. You have to lightly grease the pan with cooking oil or butter to prevent sticking. This will help to easily flip the omelet. Once the pan is hot, pour the beaten egg mixture into the skillet. Allow it to spread evenly over the surface. As the eggs start to cook, gently lift the edges with a spatula or omelet flipper and tilt the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Continue doing this around the edges until most of the egg is set, but the top is still slightly runny. Later, sprinkle the prepared filling ingredients evenly over one side of the omelet. Be careful not to overfill, as it may make it difficult to fold. Using the spatula, carefully fold the empty side of the omelet over the side with the filling, creating a half-moon shape. Press down gently to seal the omelet. Finally, cook the folded omelet for another minute or so to allow the filling to warm up and any remaining egg to set. You can gently press down on the omelet with the spatula to ensure it is cooked evenly. Then, just slide the cooked omelet onto a plate, folding it in half if necessary. Don't forget to garnish with fresh herbs, if desired. Serve the omelet immediately while it's still warm, and that's it. Let me know what fillings are your favorites. Mine is always something vegetarian like mushrooms. They are so delicious. If you like this video and want to see more, visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.